Hey everybody, welcome back to Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. Today we are making the ultimate chocolate chip cookie. Before we get into the video, be sure and give me a thumbs up, share, like, and subscribe. Let's get into today's video. Okay, so everybody needs a good go-to chocolate chip recipe. First thing I want to do is get my flour mixture ready. So I've got 2 1/4 cups of flour. Okay, into that I'm adding a teaspoon of baking soda and a 1/2 teaspoon, get all of that, of salt. And you just want to kind of fluff this around and get it incorporated, and then we're just going to set that aside while we get our wet ingredients ready. Now I'll soften the 2 sticks or a cup of butter. And I'll just kind of let them come to room temperature. I've got a cup or 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar and 3/4 of a cup of regular white sugar. And then I'm just going to cream these 2 together. When you get that mixed together, you want to add in 1 egg, a teaspoon of vanilla, and mix that. Now, I'm going to start just a little bit at a time, adding in my flour. And this part, to me, is what just sets mine above maybe the rest, but maybe I'm a little biased. I'm going to add in a cup of pecans, 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, and 1 cup of milk chocolate chips. Now, if you only had one or the other, you totally could just add just what you've got. But I find the two different types of chocolate chips just makes it over the top. So you totally do what you have. But try mixing it. I'm telling you, it just makes it unbelievable. All right, I'm gonna finish getting this mixed up, and then I'm gonna show you how we're going to divide these up and get them on the pan. Okay, because I don't like using cooking spray, I use parchment paper. I take my nice little scoop here. These are kind of big, so that's how many I'm going to do on a pan. And we're going to cook these for 10 minutes. We'll check them in 10 minutes because they are kind of big. That way they make huge cookies. We'll see you back in just a minute. Okay, my friends, the ultimate chocolate chip cookie. These things are already Papa approved. He's already hit the stash, so they're moist. Look at that. The combination of the semi-sweet chocolate and the milk chocolate in these are just amazing. The use of dark brown sugar in it, you can't beat it. I hope you'll try this. Comment below, do you have your favorite? And do pecans belong in cookies? I think so. It's debatable around here, but I guarantee you he's already ate 2 of them. So try it out. I hope you'll try this recipe. Thank you for joining me today on Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. See you on the next video.